Retaining walls are an essential feature of any backyard with sloping terrain. They serve a crucial function in holding back soil and preventing erosion, which can cause significant damage to property and even pose safety risks. In this article, we will explore why strong retaining walls are necessary for a backyard and the benefits they provide. First and foremost, strong retaining walls provide structural support and stability to a sloped backyard. Without a retaining wall, soil and other materials can slowly shift and erode, leading to damage to your property, your garden, and potentially even your home's foundation. This can also result in soil erosion, which can cause flooding and landslides, putting your safety and the safety of others at risk. Retaining walls act as a barrier between your property and the slope, holding back the soil and stabilizing the terrain. When a retaining wall is installed correctly and made of durable materials, it provides a long-term solution that protects your home, garden, and outdoor living spaces from erosion and other forms of damage. Another key benefit of strong retaining walls is the additional usable space they provide. When you have a sloped backyard, you may have limited space for outdoor activities, gardening, or even just relaxing. However, with the installation of a retaining wall, you can level out the slope and create more usable space. This provides the perfect opportunity to create a beautiful and functional outdoor living area for your family and friends to enjoy. Retaining walls also add aesthetic value to your backyard. With a range of materials, colors, and styles available, you can choose a retaining wall that complements the look and feel of your backyard. Whether you opt for a classic stone or brick design or a more modern and sleek concrete or steel option, your retaining wall can be a striking and eye-catching feature of your outdoor space. In conclusion, strong retaining walls are a necessary and essential feature of any sloped backyard. They provide structural support, prevent erosion and landslides, create additional usable space, and add aesthetic value to your property. By investing in a durable and well-constructed retaining wall, you can protect your home and property and create a beautiful and functional outdoor living space that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. If you're looking to protect your property and create additional outdoor living space with a retaining wall, look no further than Ground Force Property Services. We specialize in designing and building strong and durable retaining walls that provide long-term stability and beauty to your backyard. And the best part? We offer a free quote for all our retaining wall services. Our team will assess your property, discuss your design preferences and budget, and provide you with a detailed quote for your retaining wall project. Don't wait any longer to transform your sloped backyard into a beautiful and functional outdoor living space. Contact Ground Force Property Services today to schedule your free retaining wall quote.